Alright guys, it's your boy Nomad. It's Friday evening, it's about 6:11. Guys, it's about 75 degrees outside, got thunderstorms in the area. Perfect day to go fishing. It's really not too bad out. It is sprinkling. There has been thunderstorms, but they're not super close right now. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right back out, fish kind of under that bridge like we fished a couple days ago. We caught that one small flathead, and I'm going to fish for a couple hours again, guys. Can't fish for too long. I had to be at work early in the morning. Stupid responsibilities. But with that being said, we got a chance to go throw some bait, so that's what I'm going to do. Currently I've got some green sunfish in the live well. I'm going to stop along the way, see if I can catch some more suckers, and that way we have a little bit of a variety of baits. But regardless, we're going to go out, we're going to have fun, and you guys, why don't you come along for the ride? All right. From left to right, I've got a green sunfish cast right here on this side of this brush right here, in case there's a flathead hidden underneath that brush. Black rod, I've got a pretty good sized creek chub cast out just on the other side of the pillar right there, the concrete pillar. All right, live. Second rod from right, I've got a Santee Cooper rig with a green sunfish head cast out in the middle. And on the right, I've got my Kentucky rig. That's the Garcia, the 4600 C4. I've got cast over, kind of right over there by the base of that tree. It's got a cut up piece of creek chub and also a green sunfish fillet on it. So let's see if we get any rods to go down. Something on, guys. Probably not gonna believe it. This was on that creek chub. I didn't expect to catch that. Never know what you're going to catch when you go to a creek. Not a bad little fish. Let's let it go. Go get bigger. Little ditch pickle. See where it fell. Something on, guys. Got some good head shakes. Pulling like it's a cat. I'll fight it away from this brush. Get over here, fish. Good sized channel kit there. Good healthy one. It's got some bumps on the side. you guys can see that or not. Hopefully you can. I'm gonna go let it go. Alright guys, listen. It's about 10 o'clock. Fished for a few hours. I only caught the 2 fish. Caught the 1 bass, largemouth on the creek chub, which is, you know, I would consider that to be a surprise catch. And then caught the channel cat on cut bait, which was a, you know, that was a nice fish. That gave us a pretty good little fight, and certainly enjoyed catching it. Never get tired of those. But guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. You know, if you watch the video, please consider hitting that like button and subscribe. Helps get me in good with the YouTube algorithm. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the support. And hope you enjoyed it. Nomad out.